Hey guys. Okay, so guys, without much talking, I'm just gonna start with the video. Guys, today I'm going to show you some products which are very affordable, which are basically a drugstore product, and some of the products are like really good, which would blend really well in the Indian skin. Okay, so let's start. The first thing, the basic thing which you can use is the Glamour. I hope you can see Glamour. The best thing about this cream is that it comes with a moisturizer. So with before just starting with the BB cream, CC creams, you can just use Glamour. Okay, the next thing which I'm going to show you is the Pond's BB cream. I don't know whether you're able to see or not. It's Pond BB cream. It's SPF 30. It's very reasonable, affordable price. I mean, it comes, I think, under 150 or 200 bucks. I'm not sure about it, but maximum 200 bucks. The texture is very creamy. It blends with Indian skin really good. The next thing I'm going to show you, I mean, this product is my favorite product. This is Lakme CC cream. It's Lakme CC cream. It's with SPF 20. Guys, you must use it. I mean, you will instantly see the effect. I mean, the face before using Lakme CC cream and the face the face after using Lakme CC cream. You will see the instant effect in this one. It comes, I guess, it comes for 250 bucks, around 250 bucks. The next thing, okay, this thing is recently launched in India. It's Fair and Lovely BB cream. It's a new one and it's a tester pack. It's only for ₹50. I mean, if you're not sure about you can use it, or you don't like it. I mean, whatever it is, you can just go with the tester pack. It comes for only ₹50. The next thing I use is the LA18 compact. It comes for hardly ₹100, and trust me, it gives you a very glowy look. So if you obviously you can't compare this one from the MAC or anything something like that, L'Oreal or Revlon, but on the routine basis you can use LA18. There is no harm in using. I personally use this on routine basis. The next thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you the eyeliners of Lakme. See, there are two eyeliners I'm going to show you right now. One is in the liquid form. And another is a stick. And the both products are really good. If you are trying wings or Arabian eyeliners, then you can just go for the stick. And guys, if you want a normal eyeliner, no wings and nothing at all, then you can go with this, the Lakme liquid liner. I think the both comes for ₹100 each. I'm not sure about the price, but the price range is between under 200 only. And the next thing I'm going to show you is Lakme Iconic. It's white in color. Let me just open you show you. It's something like this. I hope you can see. It's something like this. The best part about this is you can use as an eyeshadow. You can just use as an highlighter inside your lids. You can use it as a kajal. I mean, trust me, it's a 3-in-1 product, and it's really very good and affordable. I think it's for 250 bucks, approximately 250 bucks. Okay, so guys, this was the basic routine makeup products and a drugstore products which I personally use on routine basis. Try them all. For the details of each and every product, you can just follow my blog. I have given all the details the details with the textures and with the price and with the quantity on my blog. If you like it, watch it out.